Picture this, you're miles from a backyard setup, maybe at a national park picnic or a friend's remote cabin. You want a proper cookout meal, but lugging out a full-sized grill is just impractical. You need something reliable, something that performs like a heavy-duty unit but fits easily into a trunk or a backpack. Finding that balance of power and portability used to be a major compromise, forcing people to settle for much less than they deserved. This Weber Q1200 changes that equation entirely. I've tested dozens of portable cooking devices over the years, and the issue always came down to inconsistent heat management. You might buy a grill that promises high heat, but when you try to sear a steak, the temperature drops immediately, leaving you with unevenly cooked food. Or maybe it's too stable, making it cumbersome to transport. I remember being at a tailgate where the smaller grills barely handled the cooking load, resulting in smoky, lukewarm char instead of that deep, rich sear you crave. It was frustrating, frankly, because the cooking process should be enjoyable, not a wrestling match with substandard equipment. What impressed me about the Q1200 is how it handles temperature control. First, the porcelain enameled, cast iron grates are a major discovery. They retain heat wonderfully, giving the food a deep, rich flavor that seems impossible on smaller units. Secondly, the 8500 BTU burner provides substantial heat, giving you the power needed for high heat searing. I also found the electronic push-button ignition system to be incredibly convenient, a simple press and it's ready. Thirdly, the built-in lid thermometer is a smart addition, letting you monitor internal temperature without needing external gadgets. Fourth, the cast aluminum construction is durable, giving it a solid feel that suggests longevity. Fifth, and maybe most practically, the two folding work tables mean you have extra prep space when you need it, and then it folds away neatly. Now, many premium portable units in this class can cost well over $400, but the Q1200 offers this level of function and build quality at a price point that is significantly more accessible. If you are serious about outdoor cooking, this value proposition is difficult to beat, though I must point out that the included fuel tank is quite small, so plan for refills if you are camping for multiple days. Imagine pulling up to the lake on a Saturday evening. The sun is setting, casting long shadows across the water. You fire up the Q1200, the burner roars to life, and the scent of wood smoke and grilling meat immediately fills the air. You are flipping thick, seasoned steaks, watching the fat drip onto the hot grates, knowing you have the precise control needed to get that perfect crust. It's a simple moment, but the quality of the equipment elevates the entire experience from a casual cookout to a genuine culinary event. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.